Welcome back, kids. I've got a good one for you today. I am replacing the motherboard in Ortur Laser Master 3. This was my machine, and when Longer sent me the 30 watt, I gave this one to my buddy Derek. Well, anyway, we got it over to his house and discovered that the USB port was broken. So I reached out to Ortur, and they were kind enough to send me a new motherboard at no cost. Took a couple weeks to get it, but you know, it is what it is. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to replace that motherboard. And I hope you paid attention to that warning at the beginning of this video. Yeah, so anyway, and you'll probably figure out why I've got this on today too. So yeah, and let's get with it. So this is a brand new motherboard, and it's all pretty and shiny. And I want you to notice the USB port there. If it would focus, there we go. This one is clearly a virgin, and we can tell that because that white piece in there, the hymen, is still intact. However, the USB port on this laser, this Ortur Laser Master 3, as you can see, the hymen is no longer intact, and just from my professional opinion, I'm going to say that was toe up from the flow up, and syphilis ate up that white hymen that's supposed to be in there. So we got to do a transplant, and that's what the job is today. All right, let me get my scrubs on and get to work. There's the USB. There's the power port. It's laying on its back. You know, just like regular surgery. And these T-handle Allen wrenches from Harbor Freight are medical grade, so.
Oh, really?
I don't want to hear no talk about that. Oh yeah, we can get it now because I can see it moving around.
That's what she said. Michael.
Remove these live support cables here. They don't be spinning around here. Anyway, remove those. Remove those screws. Yep, there's stuff up in there. Show you what we're dealing with. You see up in there, that's the E-stop button, the big part there. The other things are defibrillators or something, I'm really not sure.
You sure about that?
I got to pull this panel here out. It just slides out. How slick is that? Okay. Then that gives access to everything up in there. So, this over here. Got all that loose already. So, it's that little pin there. I need to pop off of there. There it went. Whew. And take these, unplug them jokers. Oh, hell, how am I gonna remember that? I'm gonna keep my hand on that one. Well, I can't, but anyway. Spin this one around here. Make sure he goes back in the same hole, because those two plugs are identical. There it goes. Then this. There it went. Snapped right on there. All right. I got to take these little riser things off of the old one. Right here. Yeah, these just screw off that. And you just pop the screw out right there. All right. There's the telltale signs of syphilis. So now we just replace the screws. And they come in from the motherboard, the top of the motherboard. This is the bottom, I guess. Really don't know. I'm left-handed. I'm predominantly left-handed, but I'm also quite a bit ambidextrous. There are things I do more naturally right-handed, and sometimes things like this, I'm really not sure which hand is supposed to do what. So, but I never said it was easy being me. While we're on the subject of being ambidextrous, it reminds me of who I went to school with. I mean, I knowed him from the first grade on. We was in high school. And he told me one day, he said, man, I haven't told anybody else this, but you're my best friend. I'm going to tell you. Okay. He said, but you can't tell anybody else. It's just got to stay between me and you. I'm like, okay, let's hear it, you know. So he said, I think I'm bisexual. I'm like, seriously? He goes, I really do. And I'm like, damn. What makes you think that? He said, well, I use both hands equally. Now, I never did really understand what he meant by that, but, you know, maybe y'all more educated than me understand what that meant. Oh, me. Tighten these up a little bit. This is actually was my Ortur Laser Master 3, but when Longer sent me that 30 watt, I gave this one to my buddy Derek at D&D Custom Boards. But anyway, I went over, I noticed the last couple of months that I had this thing, I was having a hard time getting the UPS cable to stay in there. What in the world is wrong? Well, when I took it to his house and went to hook it up over there, that's when I noticed that hymen was broke in that USB port. So, I mean, you know, that explained everything. All right, let's get this thing in there. Right here, those buttons have got to come through those holes. There, see how simple that was. Oh, I got her going now. Well, that was hard to get on there. All right. Okay. Now, all right. Let me put that foot back on there. This slides back in that slot. And cap. Plug these back up. All right, got that done. Put this little SD card back in there. Okay, I believe that's it. Right there. We're ready to test it. I'm just going to do a little oval shape. Frame it first. Yep. Start. Boom. How about that? Turn that power up a little bit. I just had it on 20%. I want to see some smoke. So let's go bump it on up, 80%. Go to origin. Now, of course, this is still, my light burn is set up for my new longer. And I don't want to reinstall this one to, go through all that. But anyway, it's definitely working. I may not have the right driver for it, but yeah. Whew, it smells smoky in here. Good, fine line. We're going to call this surgery and hymenectomy a success. All right, that's it for this video. I hope y'all didn't mind my nonsense, and maybe, perhaps, may have learned how to swap out a motherboard in an Ortur Laser Master 3. I hope so, but anyway, if not, maybe I made you laugh too, so, it's all good. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, listen to Papa's heart. You hear it? All right, listen to baby's heart. What it sound like?
I said, boom, boom.
That's right. You're going to be a doctor when you grow up. Okay, that's good. You can support your papa.